In this video, I'll guide you through how to cancel your Brevo subscription. Whether you're looking to cut down on expenses or simply no longer need the service, this tutorial will help you navigate the cancellation process smoothly. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to brevo.com. If you aren't already logged in, make sure to do so using your account credentials. Once you're on the homepage and logged in, you'll notice a profile icon at the top right corner of the page. This is where you'll find your account settings. Clicking on the profile dropdown will reveal a menu with several options related to your account. From here, you'll want to select the option labeled My Plan. This section is crucial as it houses all the details about your current subscription, including the features you're subscribed to and the payment plan you're on. Once you've clicked on My Plan, you'll see a new page with various options related to your account. Here, you should look for and click on Account Usage. This option provides an overview of how much of the service you're currently using and is also where you'll find the cancellation option. Now comes the final step, cancelling your subscription. Somewhere on the account usage page, you will find the option to cancel your subscription. Click on this, and you'll likely be prompted to confirm your decision. Some services might ask for feedback on why you're choosing to cancel, so feel free to provide any input if you wish, although it's not mandatory. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully cancelled your Brevo subscription. Remember, it's always a good idea to double-check your email for any confirmation of cancellation to ensure that the process has been completed. If you don't receive a confirmation email within a reasonable time, consider reaching out to Brevo's customer support to make sure everything went through as expected. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. If you think you might return to Brevo in the future, check if they offer any account pausing options instead of outright cancellation. This can sometimes save you time and preserve your account settings for when you decide to reactivate. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please consider leaving a like or subscribing for more guides like this one. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to drop a comment below and I'll do my best to assist you. Have a great day and good luck with your future endeavors.